here with Hashi Trades. So I just want to give you a quick trade recap of my Snap call. I saw Snap was a little bit oversold after the market opened, which is right here. These three candles. This is market open here. It was holding, but then it dipped below VWAP, and it was respecting the moving average. So I'm like, okay, I do see a green candle here, which means there is some buying. It did close higher than open, and I think it's a good opportunity to get in. So I decided to go for some calls. I got 44 strike calls expiring this week, and they were $29 each. So I entered that here, and I said I'm going to look for it to test, to recover VWAP and then see how it looks from there. So I'm waiting. It prints a green candle, it recovers VWAP, and it's holding, and this is actually where I exited. So it kind of hit a resistance up here at 42. And I'm like, okay, so it rejected a little bit, even though it's still green. I made 36%. I'm going to get out because I know from past experience, staying in too long, especially in a market like this where there's a lot of chop and a lot of cucking and uncertainty, usually ends up burning me. So I didn't want to be married to that trade, literally. So that's where I exited. So I was in the trade for exactly 30 minutes. I bought it at 9:51 Eastern Time. I sold it at 11:21 Eastern Time. Exactly 30 minutes, and I sold it for $41 each, all of my calls. And as you can see, it's actually managed to break out of the resistance and continue higher. It just closed a big green candle here where it opened at 41.93 and closed at 42.33, and this one opened at 42.26, and it's looking like it might continue higher. Of course, I left some money on the table technically, but the thing is, hindsight is 20/20, and you never know. Now, why was Snap on my radar in the first place? Well, I realized that Snap this year has done amazing. Earlier this year in March, I'm going to go on the daily chart here. In March, Snap was trading at $8 in the $7-8 range, and that was when coronavirus kind of first hit America as far as news and cases went. So that's really amazing. So March this year, $8, and now it's trading at $42. Amazing return. Congratulations if you invested in Snap in your long term. You're getting an amazing return, and that was a smart choice. Okay, well anyway, that is my Snap trade recap. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or you want to tell me all about how much you love Snapchat, please comment down below, and I will see you later. Happy trading. Bye.